I was a sports car person my whole life, but things happened, marriage happened, and jobs happened, and I kind of got away from it for many, many years. But now I'm in a position where I can start to entertain my hobbies again, and so I've had a few sports cars, BMWs primarily. I kept hearing about these Porsche 911s, and I saw 996s were very, nicely priced compared to every other vintage of Porsche. So I thought, well, I'll look at 996s. The first time I drove it, literally with the guy that I bought it from in the passenger seat, I immediately realized what the fuss was about with 911s. I said, wow, I get it now. And within a few months of owning the car, I realized that it was such a great thing in so many ways that I wanted to keep it for a long time. And then, of course, I started learning more about the engine issues that they can have and so forth. And I thought, I just don't want to worry about those. So I started looking into ways to eliminate them if possible, or at least minimize them. But the objective was, I didn't have problems with the car. It ran well. It would smoke sometimes on startup, which apparently they just do anyway, so even my new motor's going to do it at some point. But I did it because I didn't want to worry about it anymore. I wanted to keep the car forever, drive it whenever and wherever I wanted, and not worry about the engine. That's what got me here. I couldn't be happier being here. It's transformative. The car was kind of a sprightly, happy car before, and now it can get angry. It can get genuinely mad, and it has a whole other aspect to its character, if you will. It still can do the other stuff it used to do, but it can get really mad now too, and that's kind of fun. That's a lot of fun. It's a commitment that you make. So there, I guess, from a personal aspect, there's, you're saying, hey, I'm going to write a big check here. So you want to have some sort of faith in what you're going to get. And I didn't see any reason to think I wasn't going to get something really great here. It was a very transitional time, and I was in the midst of it. So I guess I feel like I was part of something that was a pretty special moment in the time of FSI, not just personally. So I guess that's part of it. Plus, since I've gotten the motor, I had a problem with it. Jake was extremely helpful, and I've had nothing but great support and help from him, and great interactions with him. The reason I came down here is because I do plan to basically pass this car on to my son. And I plan to drive it, so I want to be able to fix it. I was a mechanic for many years. I do my own work, not everything, but a lot of the stuff. These cars, I don't know, I look in that little opening that's in the back of the car and I think, can I really get to stuff in there? So I came down here to find out how to get at stuff in there so that I could feel more comfortable, racking up miles on it and driving it.